Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the screen of an Samsung aA54. It's a 5G phone, so we'll see how to change the screen. You guys can see that the screen is not working. First take out the SIM card and then apply the heat on the back so that the glue will melt and easy to come off. Then take out the back glass or the back part. Then take out the screws on the top. Take out all the screws. Take out the speaker part area. Take out the main cover. Then unplug the battery. Then unplug all the cables and take that out. Take out the new screen from the box. Take out all the parts. There is a screw in the main board part, so you need to take that off also. And there is one in the sub part. Now you have to take out the main board, sub board and the battery from an old screen to the new one. Don't forget to take out the vibrator. To take out the battery, lift the blue tape and just pull it up like that. Check the screen before we fix everything to make sure it's working properly. If everything working fine, assemble all the things back.